Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Honeygain and Jumptask. Honeygain and Jumptask allow users to earn passive income by sharing internet bandwidth. Honeygain is a passive income app that pays users for sharing unused internet bandwidth. It supports payout via PayPal or Jump Token or TMPT, offering flexibility for both fiat and crypto users. It is user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners who want to earn without much effort. Earnings tend to be slow unless you use multiple devices or networks. Overall, it's a reliable, low-effort way to make a bit of extra money monthly. Meanwhile, Jumptask is a platform that rewards users in Jump Token for completing micro-tasks or sharing bandwidth. It integrates with apps like Honeygain, expanding earning options within the crypto ecosystem. Payments are exclusively in TMPT and require a decentralized wallet like MetaMask. It offers faster payouts and stacking opportunities, but tricky for those unfamiliar with crypto. Jumptask is ideal for crypto enthusiasts wanting to engage in decentralized finance and earn tokens. In my opinion, Honeygain is best for easy PayPal payouts, while Jumptask is better for crypto users wanting faster token rewards. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.